Hello everyone and welcome back to Re's Remedies. It's Ree. I wanted to come and open the vlog because we got a lot of things going on today, or I personally have a lot of things going on today, so I was like, I want to vlog. So starting off, I already had book club. Sorry you guys missed it. I didn't bring you. It was a message. It was the word, it was the gospel, it was all of the above. It was amazing. I'm blessed. Next, I ate breakfast. It was amazing. I didn't show you. I'm sorry. It's like, why am I even telling y'all about this? I'm teasing you at this point. Let's just get into where we are going. I'm about to go to a few stores and make my friend a house. My goal is to make a housewarming present. I was just like, oh, I'm just gonna get her a plant, but then I was like, I was on Pinterest and I saw these little DIY baskets, so I wanted to challenge myself and see if I could do that. I'm gonna take you all with me to do the shopping, and then I'm going to her house to do yoga, so that'll be cool. I'll probably show you guys a little of us doing yoga. I'm not giving a house tour of her house. That's not my house, and I've never been to her house. She moved, and it's pretty, like, I haven't been because it's like, it's a good little minute away, so I'm taking a field trip. I'm excited, and yeah, that's what we're doing today. So let's get started. Let's go to the store, okay? Let's go to the store. I'll see you guys at the I'll see you all at the store. Alright, first stop, and we're gonna get a basket because we're shopping comfortable today. Okay, we're not gonna rush. We're gonna get a bag. Here we go. Okay, y'all, so I came to this aisle right here looking for some sort of basket, but they also have like little cute signs like this. So I will put something like this in the basket. It's only $3.49. That's really cute. So this was a super successful trip. I was open to receiving, and literally everything I needed or I felt like was great was in that one store. So that's amazing. I don't have to go to another store. Now I'm just gonna kind of rearrange the stuff in there how I want it, and I got everything for $38.34. So I love that. That is amazing. And I'm gonna go through and gently peel off the price tags. I don't even know why people do this. At the end of the day, still thought it counts. Normalize not peeling off price tags. 'Cause, honey, I'm not showing off. Okay. Clean it off best I could. See, I like when they don't put them down all the way, then they just come right off. Some of them are on better than others. This candle really smells good, y'all. I should have got me one. I did see some stuff in there I wanted, but I was like, okay, I'm not shopping for me right now. Focus. They had some cute pride art. My favorite piece of pride art they had was the fist in the color of the rainbow. Loved. It was giving very much Black Lives Matter mixed with pride. Well, I just found some great stuff that was priced great, y'all. I don't know what people typically get for housewarming gifts. I think they normally do like toasters and dishes, glasses and stuff like that. I kind of wanted to put a different take on it, especially after I seen so many ideas on Pinterest. The only thing I feel like my basket is missing is like a little plant. If I had a little plant, I feel like that would set it off. I'm about to say, fuck this sticker. Because at the end of the day, the way I feel is like, you shouldn't, sometimes I feel stressed. I feel stressed about, you know, getting people gifts. I'm like, dang, no, this ain't good enough. Like, should have did this, should have did that. And at the end of the day, that's not true. Every gift is good enough because you didn't have to give it. I don't know if that's a good way or a bad way to look at things, but it takes the stress off of me. It helps me go back to the intent. What is my intent behind the gift? It's all about intentions. And then, y'all, it's like I was just picking up stuff, and then it's like I just started going with this one aesthetic, this gray aesthetic. So I'm about to show y'all everything I got. So I got this basket, not too big, not too small. Inside of that basket is going these dish towels. It's a pack of 3, and they're like gray and white. I think I actually have this book at home, and this actually has some pretty good recipes in it. Can y'all see that? It actually has some pretty good recipes in it, so I picked this up for my friend as well. I think she'll really enjoy it. I think she'll really enjoy it. It's going in there. Then I picked up this sign. Always find time for the things that make you feel happy to be alive. I mean, how cute of a reminder is that? We always need that reminder. Got her these little all-purpose spoon spatulas, and this one says love lives here, and then this one is blank, and then that one just has a little picture on it. Very cute. And then last, I got this eucalyptus and sage poured in Los Angeles essential oil candle. It is by W+L. This seems to be a popular brand at Ross. It's a soy wax blend. I'm trying to get some of the can't really, I know it's not like I have any oil to get like the sticker residue off, so I'm just gonna have to take an L on that. But I feel like she's gonna love the basket. I hope so. I'll let you all know how it goes. I probably won't record it, but this is what the basket looks like. And I'm gonna say happy housewarming or happy new house or something like that. I don't know what I'm gonna say, but she's gonna know.